The idea of a 20 minutes meeting is to keep it focused and on topic. It saves time, and shorter meetings also tend to be more efficient, with fewer distractions and a more focused agenda. The biggest issue with short meetings is mental fatigue. In longer meetings, there is time for a small break. But with short meetings, it's as if you were running the 100 meters every few minutes. You might be giving your brain too much information, impacting performance. So, are 20-minute meetings a yes or a no? Instead of using a blanket rule for all meetings duration, break down meetings into meetings. 20 minutes, laser-focused topic, with a clear outcome. Working sessions. 45 minutes to 1 hour involving collective thinking and exchange. Planning. 30 to 45 minutes. Team meetings. 30 to 45 minutes, depending on the group size. Webinars, presentations, demos. 30 to 50 minutes.